What's going on, everybody? In this video I'm going to talk about packing cubes that do not suck. Alright, so as you can see, got a lot of clothes right here. I actually have a little bit more, but I want to try to make this video before the light got too dark, which I failed at. But as you can see, a lot of clothes here. These are just basic packing cubes. However, they are very good quality and they're not compression or anything like that. I don't use compression packing cubes because I feel like you get that mental mindset that you can overpack, and it does save room. However, the zipper's always ripped, your clothes are always wrinkled, and you get in that mindset to where you can overpack, which in turn will make you be overweight, costing you more money. So I don't use compression. I have used them before, didn't like them. So as you can see, real basic, nothing to them. They are labeled on each one of what they recommend you put in. So this one right here is a bigger one. This is the biggest one. They recommend bigger jackets, pairs of pants, stuff like that. This one's just going to be your basic shirts, pants. There is a laundry bag as well as a toiletry bag. Another one for shirts, pairs of shorts and pants. And then one's going to be for your undergarments. So the laundry bags actually come in handy a lot more than I thought it would be at the hotels. Hotel laundry is very expensive, which is why I got that scrubber bag. Hotel laundry is very expensive, so I usually take my laundry on the economy outside of the hotels. So, and I'm not walking around wherever I'm at with a see-through bag that people can see my undergarments. So let's go ahead and pack this stuff up. I'll show you how nice and neat it looks, and then we'll put it in the bag. Also, one thing I want to mention, packing cubes are perfect for when you're tired, you get off the plane, long flights, and you want to unpack, you want a nice and tidy room. It's very nice. You just take them out of your suitcase, put them up on your shelves, whatever, and worry about it later some other day. Alright, so let's go ahead and pack this stuff up. Alright, that took no time at all. As you can see, everything's nice and packed and organized, nice and neat. That way when I get home, it makes it super easy just to take them out, throw them in the washing machine, or the clean clothes, which I separate mine, dirty from clean. And then when I get home, I can just dump this bag into the washing machine, clean them, good to go. They fit nice and neat in the bag, in my roller bag. And then, like I said before, if you want, when you get to your hotel after a long flight, go ahead, just take these out, set them on a closet shelf or set them in a drawer, and they're nice and packed for you. Toiletry bag just goes right back into my bathroom back at home, and then obviously the laundry bag stays the way it is until next time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you found it useful, let me know. There will be a link in the description down below for these bags as well, or these packing cubes. So we'll see you guys next week.